everybody, welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth back with you, and I just want to begin today's video by just showing you and sharing with you just a little wee bit of proof of what is possible with this system. Okay, I've been using it now for quite a while. Absolutely love it. So if you're looking for something that is real, something that can truly help you in a great way, something that can position you for the potential to earn $600 paydays, then you are definitely in the right place at the right time. So let us begin without further ado. And I just want to show you a little bit about what came in recently. Okay, so you can see that this is real and that it does work. And I am somebody who can absolutely help you. Okay, so another $600 payment just came in. Okay. And here we go. Here is another $600 payment that also just came in recently. Okay, followed by another $600 payment that just came in. We had somebody come in at the starter. So we do have 4 different digital products. The reason being is because one size simply does not fit all. Okay, and then we had a pro level. So this is just a little bit of what came in just in the last couple of days here. And this is how I am doing this, by following this training, the step-by-step training inside of the premium level product package, which is a digital product. It happens to be our most popular. There's 4, like I indicated, but this one by far is our most popular because it's going to give you the absolute greatest income earning potential and the most value, the most meat and potatoes and substance when it comes to training, to equip you with the skill set that you're going to need to be able to make a predictable income, both short-term and long-term. Okay? Absolutely amazing. So this is the back office. Once you decide which product you want, we have a basic, we have an elite, we have a pro, and of course we have a premium. This is the back office of the premium. It's going to show you and teach you how to become your own boss in 2024. You can see this is the membership area. So you're going to start at the very top and you're just going to follow everything step by step. This is what we do. This is what I do, following this simple step-by-step process and working 2 hours a day. We operate within a 2-hour-a-day workflow. So we're not out there trading time for dollars, and the system is largely automated. Okay, so exactly what you're going to learn how to promote products. These are digital, where you're going to get to make and keep 100% of the profits. Why would you want to settle for anything less when you can actually keep 100% of the products? Okay, you're going to learn how to automate your business, and I will share with you, before I conclude today's video, my automated funnel. We call it our freedom funnel, and it goes out there. It does an amazing job for us every single day. It's largely automated. It's doing our telling, selling, and explaining and follow-up for us, and it'll do the exact same thing for you too. It's a beautiful thing. It really is. Works just like a well-oiled machine. You're also going to learn how to use the ultimate discovery system, okay? And you're going to learn how to relate and connect with your perfect customer. We're going to teach you how to find your perfect customer, okay? So that you can go out there and create content, free content around your perfect customer, so that you can relate with them, they can relate back with you, and they're going to be able to resonate with you. And that's going to significantly increase your results and your conversions. And that's exactly what you want, okay? You're going to learn step by step what to do daily to make daily pay. And it's all right here, folks, okay? And this is going to show you and teach you how to make $600 a day in 2024. That happens to be a potential of $219,000 a year, okay? But disclaimer, can't make any claims, guarantees, or promises because I don't know what anybody will do once they do get access to this, once your training is unlocked, and I don't know your work ethic, but I'm just sharing with you what is working very, very well, not only for me, but thousands of members inside of our community, where we are now over 9,000 members within our community strong, okay? So everything is right here. Very simple. This is very beginner friendly. Okay. And you can get paid however you want. It's direct member to member. All right. So you set that up and they give you everything you need. Okay. Everything from your 7-day action plan for success, how to post unlimited ads on high free traffic websites. Okay. Now this is where I mostly focus my daily activities. And this is what I would highly encourage anybody to dive into. I recommend picking a primary and a secondary from these 4 platforms. Social media, folks, is trending. There happen to be on average of 4.8 billion people on social media currently. So imagine a statistics that high, 4.8 billion. And if you could only just tap into and just grab and snag a teeny weeny little piece of the pie, how your life could be forever changed and transformed in 2024 and beyond. So we have TikTok, we have YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. These are the top social media platforms. We teach you how to create content for free, so you don't have to have an advertising spend budget. Now me, what do I do? I make really good utilization out of TikTok. Okay, and I also use YouTube, of course, and Facebook. Those are my top 3. Okay, very simple, but everything is here. How to automate your business with your 6-figure system, how to become a professional content creator. I mean, everything. How to automate your business for greater and more profits, how to use YouTube for more exposure, how to close high ticket secrets. This is a very nice extra added bonus. Instagram and scaling up your business, how to make money on TikTok without making videos. So I always get asked this question, can I do this without showing myself on a video? Well, yes, of course you can. And we teach you how to do this using faceless branding, okay? How to go out there, create content, brand yourself using faceless, okay? So that is definitely an option. We do have workarounds and everything is right here. So I just want to show you real quick what this looks like. So let's just click on TikTok marketing. So if you want to learn TikTok and how to go viral with TikTok marketing, you're going to come in here, you're going to plug into these videos. You'll listen to them. You're going to be able to access these 24/7. If you need to go back and reference one, watch one more than one time, no worries. They're going to be accessible to you 24/7 right from the privacy and comfort of wherever you are, from your home, if you're traveling, wherever you are, folks, okay? So no worries. They're very short. You start with the very first one, the introductory video. You watch that from beginning to end. I don't recommend taking any shortcuts. Again, you can stop, rewind, pause, play, go back, and revisit and rewatch, okay? Get started with TikTok, how to drive massive traffic on TikTok. This is huge, okay? Marketing strategy for conversions, tons of value. Bonus training, how to find winning hashtags. This is exactly what you want, folks. Winning hashtags. It's extra bonus training. It's accessible right here, folks, okay? Bonus training, how to use your creativity with TikTok. There's very high value with this training, folks, okay? Step by step, very simple, very basic, very beginner friendly, but very valuable, okay? This is going to teach you how to become a master marketer and how to have the skill set to go out and use a very, very popular platform, all for free, okay? So how to use your creativity with TikTok, how to create compelling content for TikTok. This is going to show you and teach you how to create the best content for your perfect customer. Truly a win-win, okay? Effective affiliate promotions, building a community and engagement, and last but not least, a conclusionary video. So this is everything in the back office that you'll get access to once you make your one-time admin payment and your one-time digital product payment. There are no monthly fees ever, okay? No monthly fees here, okay? So that is huge. So when you get started, as a special bonus from me to you, I will be sending you over an invite to come into our digital growth community. So this is what you're going to get above and beyond what is within your 4 digital products if you come in at the premium, which I highly recommend because it's our most popular. And if you're anything like me, you don't want to leave money on the table. Most people are coming in at this level because they see the tremendous value and the tremendous potential that exists within the premium level product. But this is what you're going to be getting above and beyond. It is supplemental. This is worth thousands, but you're going to have access to it for free. Okay? So you're going to get all this set up here, getting started. It's going to show you how to get started the right way, watching simple step-by-step video training tutorials. So anybody who's a visual learner, this is going to be broken down into very simple, short pieces of content, step-by-step video tutorials. So you can come in and learn and earn, okay? Learn at your own pace, and it's the ideal earn while you learn business model, okay? It's very unique. There really isn't anything quite like it out there. We are currently in the midst of this 90-day run, so every single day we are given simple steps to follow, content to use, how to create the best content. Everything is right here, folks. So I'm just going to show you real quick. I can't go into this, but I'm going to just show you everything. See daily videos, okay? Starting right here every single day. We give you ideas on how to go about being successful online. It's all right here. We currently are into this for 52 days, okay? So just wanted to share that with you. And this is our classroom right here, okay? And see, here is additional TikTok training. I'm telling you folks, TikTok right now is trending, and yes, you can go about this in a faceless fashion. Okay, there's lots of ways to do this to have success. And this is just, what it looks like. Here is the training and growing your following. Here is the step-by-step video tutorials, okay? And then we come right back here. Automated funnels. You're going to be given an automated funnel. We call it our Freedom Machine. It works very well and converts on average, give or take a little bit, right around 50%. But that is well above the industry average. It really is. And we're going to show you how to set up your business on autopilot right here. So see, everything is step-by-step video training tutorials, helpful videos and PDFs. Everything is here. We're going to give you the email swipes to use and the whole 9 yards. Okay. So we come right back here in classroom. This is where you want to spend some good quality time every single day. Okay. 6 figures in 6 months. I know, might sound, unbelievable, unrealistic, but folks, it's very, very real. We have many members who are accomplishing this currently and have already accomplished this, okay? So if you are one of these high achievers, folks, you want to become a massive action taker, you come right in here and you go right into the replays and you start watching these. Tremendous value, like I say, literally worth thousands of dollars. You're going to get this as a bonus for free into this community. You'll get a special invite, okay? And then we come down here, free resources, how to discover your perfect customer. This is what I keep referencing in the majority of my videos. We're going to show you exactly how to find your perfect customer. And this is huge. This is just tremendous value, finding your ideal customer, because what you're going to be able to do is create content around this perfect customer. Okay, and this should definitely enhance your results and your conversions, ultimately putting you in the winning seat, okay, of life, and allowing you to enjoy, a very nice, predictable income. We really give you everything you need. We equip you with the skills to be able to position yourself for daily paid potential. And see, like I was referencing, building a faceless brand. You can learn that here. Here's all the replays. So if you're not able to make it to our ongoing webinar trainings, they're all recorded, all uploaded right here. And this was our last 90-day sprint. It's all here for you to access on replay, okay? So this is tremendous value, folks. I wanted to share with you what you're going to be getting above and beyond, and I will just show you something real quick before I close out this video today. These are the wins. This is more testimonials of what is possible. See our members having tremendous success. $50 while on their live, another $600 commission, more views, $600 sale, giving this person a $1,200 day, okay? First live done and dusted, $600 today, $750 in 2 days. Okay, $2,400 week, $100,000 earned in 9 months. Pinch me. Look at this, folks. Okay, if this is not inspiration and encouragement and motivation, then I honestly don't know what is. Okay, we have a winning community. Like I said, we're over 9,000 members strong. Another $600 ding. I'm literally sitting here crying, happy tears. 2024 vision sprint to date, $34,450 on my way to 6 figures. So you can see what is possible. And I show you this to provide you with inspiration and encouragement. Look at this. Over 14,000 views on my video today. Okay, look at this. Made a $300 while driving to visit my family. And I think you get the gist of the $600 ding while I was having my morning coffee. I got to pay a payment on my credit card because of this opportunity. Look at this, folks. Sales coming in. 3 sales today. Thank you for all the kind words. Whoop, finally woke up to $600. See, I told you the system works on autopilot. My first sales from automations. This is so exciting, okay? We have so much to be grateful for, so much to be thankful for, and I just encourage you to come inside and take a close look. Then you can determine if you like what you see, if you like what you hear, and if you deem this to be a fit, which I trust that you will. Okay, so this is where I need you to go next, folks. Okay, this is what's going to give you the information, get you signed up. dailypaywithmarybeth.com. The link is below in the description. You'll also find my personal contact details there. If you're serious and if you should have any questions, text or call me. By far the best way to reach me. Okay, I'm very transparent. I've been doing this a really long time. I love this system. Absolutely love it, and I know that you will too. So head on over now to dailypaywithmarybeth.com, and I'd love to see you, hopefully very soon, on the inside and welcome you with open arms into our wonderful community. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon.